Can't afford this Stream Deck? Don't worry, I'll show you how to set up OBS Studio hotkeys to get the same functionality for free. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Sash. Today I'm going to show you how to set up hotkeys in OBS Studio for quick actions. Let's get started. First, let's go to the setting menu. From there, choose hotkeys. Scroll down to the scene you want to assign a hotkey to. For example, I'll select the scene called main and set a hotkey for it. Ctrl-Shift-M. This way, whenever I press these keys, OBS will switch to the main scene. Now, I click Apply and then OK. As you can see, pressing Ctrl-Shift-M switches my OBS Studio screen to the main scene, no matter where I am. Let me try it again. Ctrl-Shift-M, and there it is, back on main. Now let's do another test. This time I'll add a text source to the main scene. I'll name it sample text. And set its content to "This is a sample text." I want to adjust its font size, so I'll change it to 150 and click OK. Next, I'll use the transform option to select center to screen, which places the text right in the center. I'll also lock this source to prevent accidental changes. If I want to add a hotkey for this text, I'll go back to Setting, find my scene under Hotkeys, and assign a hotkey for showing and hiding the sample text source. For example, I'll set Ctrl-Shift and S. Then I'll click Apply and OK. Now, when I press Ctrl-Shift-S, the sample text source toggles between visible and hidden mods. As you can see, the hotkey works well. Let me show you one more thing. I want to set Ctrl-Shift-N for a start scene. I'll switch back to the start scene using the hotkey Ctrl-Shift-N, then switch to main with Ctrl-Shift-M and toggle sample text on and off using Ctrl-Shift and S. Check out this playlist. It's packed with useful stuff.